I was just sent this Self Wringing Mop. This is going to be amazing. It is 52.5 inches long once you get it assembled. They actually come with a little assembly guide here too. Now the Self Wringing is a really nice feature because whenever you get those mops and you've got to get your hands in there and wring it all out, and your hands are all wet and dirty and gross, this eliminates all of that. All you've got to do is twist the little mop head on here and it will wring itself out. You release it and you go right back to mopping. There is no need to get your hands all dirty. So you just easily put all 4 pieces together and now you've got your edge of your mop. You've got a nice little carrying handle here at the top. And then you have your mop head right here that we will just screw in at the bottom. It does have a nice little surface right at the very bottom if you did have a hard place to kind of scrub on that you can then scrub right there. So then we're going to insert the mop head right here. And then it goes all the way down into the end of the mop and then it screws in on the end down here. All right, now we've got that in there. And see, you can easily move this mop back and forth and then twist it, it tightens up, and then you can lower it back down and you're ready to mop again. So this is a microfiber right here on this mop. So it is a really soft right through here to be able to go over any side of floor surface that you have. So now I've got my mop water filled up. I'm just going to add the mop in and let it soak up some water. And then we will try out this wringing process. So we get this up here, pull the mop forward. And you can wring out as little or as much water as you want to, which is great because then you can really control a lot of how you are mopping. And then you loosen it up and you are ready to start your mopping. So this moves right along with you real well. Mop up your floor. It doesn't leave streaks. It's just kind of mopping up, doing its thing. And like I said, if you did have a hard place to get to, you can just get to the edge of that mop. Whenever you're ready for storage, you can easily just pull it all the way up, have it stored, and then pull it back up, hang it up so it's now ready to dry.